In GoDaddy Website Builder, you can manage pages using two main methods, unpublishing and deleting. Unpublishing a page temporarily removes it from public view. It's ideal for seasonal content, drafts, or pages you want to hide without permanently erasing them. The page remains in your editor, preserving SEO elements like URLs and backlinks. Deleting a page, on the other hand, permanently removes it from your site, editor, and database. Use this for outdated, duplicate, or incorrect content to declutter your site and improve load times. Remember that deleting a page is irreversible unless you have a backup. To unpublish a page in GoDaddy Website Builder, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Next, open the Website Builder editor from your dashboard. Navigate to the Pages tab on the left sidebar. Select the page you want to hide, toggle the Visible or Publish switch off. Finally, save and publish the site to apply the change. To delete a page, go to the Pages tab in the Website Builder editor. Hover over the page you want to delete. Click the trash can icon or delete option. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up dialog. Then publish the site to apply changes. Important notes: homepages cannot be deleted directly. You must replace them first. Deleting can break internal links, so the editor will warn you about potential broken links.